I'm going to show you how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So first, open your web browser and go to the Disney Plus website. Now, sign in. Log onto your Disney Plus account and click on your profile. Click on your profile image in the top right corner of the screen. And then from the menu presented, click the account button. Now scroll down and click on your Disney subscription. It will indicate your current subscription type. Click the red button labeled Cancel Subscription to proceed. Now, after that, you will be asked to choose a reason for wanting to leave the service. This step is optional. Next is you will be given an option to keep your account. If you still want to cancel, click on the Cancel Disney Plus button. It will tell you how many more days your Disney Plus subscription will remain active. And that's it. Your Disney Plus subscription will be canceled and you'll have a clear idea of how long you can still access the service before the cancellation takes effect.